Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the CV axle on Volkswagen Touran. Replacing the two CV axles is the exact same procedure. Here I'll show you how to remove and replace the left one. These are the two CV axles that we're going to be removing. In order to start removing them, first we're going to remove the wheels. Next we're going to remove the bolt holding the CV joint to the wheel hub. Next we're going to remove the 3 nuts holding the bolt joint to the control arm. Now we're going to separate the control arm from the bolt joint just to see if it comes out, but we're not going to remove it completely. First we're going to remove the inner bolts on the CV axle that connect the CV axle to the transmission. There are 6 bolts that we need to remove that hold the CV axle to the transmission. This is the socket that I'm going to use, M8 socket. I'm going to put it in there and just hit it with the hammer so that we can be sure that it goes all the way in. Then we're going to put a screwdriver into the brake disc just to hold the CV axle from turning while we try to loosen all the bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the 3 bolts on this side are loosened, now we're going to turn the CV axle so that we can get the other 3 bolts, and then we're going to put the screwdriver in there and loosen the other 3 bolts. Now that all the bolts are loosened, I'm going to get an electric ratchet and just remove the bolts completely. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'm going to take out the CV joint from the wheel hub and then take out the CV axle completely. And that's the CV axle out. Next we're going to put the CV axle in there. First we're going to put it in the CV joint into the wheel hub, and then we're going to put the inner part of the CV axle to the transmission and start putting on the bolts and tighten them. Now that all the bolts are tightened to the electric ratchet, next I'm going to put the screwdriver into the brake disc and tighten them up to specs with this ratchet. And once they're all tightened, next I'm going to put on the bolt holding the CV joint to the wheel hub, and then put on the 3 nuts holding the control arm to the ball joint. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.